Hi, I'm Reenu and I'm going to show you how to use IDEA for stress management. We are going to peek into a household that used to be filled with stressors and join their journey to freedom. Here lives Kabir, his wife Kavita, their children Kiara and Kian, and Kabir's parents. Set routines, three maids, and the household ran like clockwork. Then Corona struck and their lives changed overnight. They felt so stressed. To understand what stress is all about, let's start with when Corona lockdown was declared. Kabir had no idea how they were going to manage. As soon as he heard, the effects that could be noticed on him were dilated pupils, dry mouth, sweating, fast and shallow breathing, tense muscles, racing heart. At the same time, some things were also happening in Kabir's body. His body got ready for action with the release of adrenaline, glucose, and cortisol. All these effects are our natural fight and flight response to any threat, which in this case was Corona. As the lockdown progressed, since the threat was not managed, Kavita and Kabir's bodies triggered the fight and flight response continuously. This caused their sympathetic nervous system to be continuously active and increased levels of blood pressure, adrenaline, and cortisol. Their parasympathetic nervous system, as well as their digestive and immune systems, were working in diminished capacities, and their cognitive and reasoning abilities were impaired. What if I were to tell you that Kabir and Kavita's journey from stress to stress-free was based on IDEA? I for identify, D for distract, E for envision, and A for action. That's right. Stress to stress-free is just an idea away. Let's look at each aspect of IDEA. I for identify that you are stressed. Stress manifests in body, mind, emotions, and behavior. At the body level, they experienced headaches, sweating, breathlessness, muscle tension, stomachache, and skin irritations. At the mind level, both had impaired cognition and reasoning. At the emotions level, they felt anger, anxiety, loneliness, mood swings, fear. And at the behavior level, they noticed binge eating, nail biting, insomnia, addiction, and isolation. The fight and flight response is triggered. Let's find why. I for identify stressors. Kabir and Kavita's stressors included more work, different styles, longer hours, layoffs and finances, struggle with household chores, isolation, illness, and arguments. Let's get the fight and flight response to normal. D for distract. Distraction techniques are the quickest way of getting the fight and flight response triggered by stressors to normal. Kabir and Kavita practiced the following distraction techniques: deep breathing, self-soothing, talking, cold water splashing, doing something else, exercising, meditating, grounding. The cognitive and reasoning capabilities are normal to think strategy. E for envisioning strategy for dealing with each stressor. There are three strategies. 1. Accept. Stressors like isolation, different style of working, longer hours, household chores are part of the new way of living, and so Kabir and Kavita accepted them as the new normal. 2. Avoid. Stressors like fear of layoffs and children misusing their screen time. Kabir and Kavita stopped overthinking. 3. Plan. Schedule of activities to minimize stress and forgive self and others for slip-ups and reschedule. Now prepare to act. A for action. After implementation, the stressor, earlier a threat, is no longer considered one by our body. Hence, the fight and flight response will no longer be triggered. As per their strategy, Kabir and Kavita would talk to themselves, accepting some stressors as the new normal. They would walk away from overthinking the stressors to be avoided. And they implemented the planned strategy for the remaining stressors. Thus you have seen how Kabir and Kavita used IDEA, I for identify, D for distract, E for envision, A for action to become stress-free. You can use IDEA too. As a long-term strategy, invest in emotional fitness to ward off the effect of stressors. Check out our emotional fitness investment video for more details.